We love blowing up so-called rules on this show, and today's guest does it at scale. Bootstrapped, manufactures his own goods, fulfills himself, undercuts on price, spans dozens of categories, and built a nearly billion-a-year machine with more than 15,000 employees. My fellow operators, this is Operators Titans with Gibran Niaz of Utopia Deals and Utopia Industries. Let's dive in.
Last 12 months were about 770 to 780 million in revenue, which still makes my head spin given where we started. I came to the US after my father's business went bankrupt. My brother and I paid off the debt over 4 years, and honestly, I didn't want to start a company. I had a good tech job and comfort.
Did family make the difference here? And how did you even get into e-commerce in the first place?
We were a tight family. My brother and I sat a few cubes apart at Bank of America, and he's the best developer I know. I collected coins on eBay. We listed some extra tables to liquidate, then towels, and that's how it began. No grand plan, just trying to clear inventory.
When did it feel like a real business instead of a side hustle?
When 100 orders meant 100 Home Depot boxes and late nights packing, we knew we had to graduate to a proper operation. That's when we stopped selling odd colors and sizes and started designing what customers actually wanted.
Was the strategy from day one to win on value and price?
Early on, we modeled the Walmart and IKEA playbook, reliable quality at the sharpest price, and our manufacturing roots pushed us toward volume. It wasn't perfect thinking, but it worked for getting factories running and products moving.
When did you leave your jobs and how did you fund the growth?
In 2014, on pace for 10 million, I took paternity leave and then went full-time. My brother followed a year later. We bootstrapped from monthly savings and reinvested profits, used small supplier terms later, and didn't touch debt until about 3 years ago.
How did your sourcing and category expansion evolve?
We began with towels out of Pakistan, then realized China's breadth and the Canton Fair cracked everything open. We stopped starting from a supplier or category and instead scanned the entire horizon for margin and feasibility, even if it meant jumping into electronics or kitchenware.
You're known for price discipline. What were the levers under the hood?
We engineered packaging to hit favorable FBA tiers, compacted pillows and comforters with advanced vacuum packing, and trimmed material where it didn't affect customer happiness. Volume drove costs lower, and tariffs later nudged us into building our own manufacturing for control and diversification.
Those early days, were you really shipping everything yourselves?
We packed thousands of boxes for eBay, then used Amazon to fulfill eBay orders, which nudged us onto Amazon proper. You don't fully appreciate FBA until you've taped boxes at midnight with your family.
What was your hit rate on new products as the marketplace matured?
In the golden days, almost anything worked, maybe 70 to 80% hit, as competition surged.